In this video, you guys, I am rocking my lash baton lashes and my blue pigments and my yellow pigments. And I'm also wearing the rose gold gloss. Shop. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your syringes for gloss. First, you're gonna need a alcohol. Right here, I'm using 50% alcohol. I could not find 100% because of this pandemic going on. Everything is sold out. Then I'm using a glass bowl. And also, I found these in the baby section. You guys, this is a must. Like, this is a must. With the end, both of the ends have the, whatever you want to call those, they have one on each end. One of them is littler and one of them is bigger. And when I say y'all, this is life, like that's life. Then I have my syringes that I'm going to be cleaning. You guys can't really see them in the video, but they're freaking dirty. Like, look at that, dirty. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is making my water extremely hot. And then I'm going to pour dish detergent in first. So that way when I put the water in, the bubbles will bubble. Y'all know what I'm saying? Yeah, just watch. Then I'm going to be adding, I don't really measure the alcohol. I just kind of eye it. But not too much, but not too less, if you feel what I'm saying. Now that that is finished, I'm just going to make sure I take apart my syringes and just place them in the water. And I'm going to let these sit in the water and alcohol and the dish detergent for about like 5 to 10 minutes, whatever you prefer. You don't even have to let it sit that long, but that's just what I do. So I'm just going to let them sit. Okay, so I'm just going to be dipping that in the water a little bit just to get it a little moist. I hate that word, moist. And I'm just going to be like, leave a little bit of water in it just so you can, you know, juggle that all around and get all that stuff out. I'm just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, squirting some of that water out to try to get through the smaller part, because those are kind of harder to reach. But that's where that little part is going to come in at, on that side. You're going to be able to get more things out of there. As you can see, some of the gloss is just coming out as I'm pushing that down there. That helps so much. That little end, that's literally gonna get everything you can't get. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep, you know, going back and forth, trying to get it as clean as possible. So yeah, you guys just keep watching. Now, honestly, guys, just a little tip. If you cannot get really down there like you want to and get all of that at the end of the tip, because that's the hardest part to get. They make these things, you can get them from Walmart, you can get them from anywhere, honestly. But they're like pipe cleaners, and you just run it through there, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Those will really help as well. So you guys might want to try those out too. You're welcome. As you guys can see, I am putting water in there, and then I'm using the syringe squeeze part to press that water down. That's going to help you get a lot of that buildup out as well. I'm just gonna apologize in advance for my ghetto ass boyfriend with this dang money in my video. I can't. I'm going to try to find you guys a link to the tool that I'm using to clean these out. I'm going to try to find y'all the link in the description. It looks brand freaking new. I love this tool, guys. I love it. PSA, shout out to Ross, y'all. I got this on sale at Ross for like $18, and it's an organizer, and I'm obsessed. I love organizing stuff. So this little thing came in handy. I have all my lip gloss stuff in this one little thing. I just freaking love it. Sorry, I had to show you guys. That has nothing to do with the video, but yeah. Ross.